All right, so where we left off last time was we have a button that can play the 2-3 clave or the 3-2 clave. When you click play, but the problem is the stop is not working, and so let's try to figure out what it is. So I'm gonna actually undo the code I wrote before and actually set the audio up here and have this say audio pause. Instead of calling the audio.pause, maybe we should stop this set interval method from being called in the first place. And that might be it. The other one is when we say audio.play, it doesn't really check for any state, which is very interesting because I feel like it should check the state before it plays. So let's just do something simple like playing state equals false. So we could do that, or we can figure out a way to just pause. Let's try this actually. So we're gonna start playing it, and then click stop. Okay, I guess it works. I do feel that it's pausing, but the problem is this audio.play continues to play, which is the problem. So I think the way the interval method works is it keeps on playing. So why don't we do this playing state? Whoa, sorry. Okay, so why don't we give this a const. Well, let's just assign this a variable first, and then we can use the proper best practices review. So let's do is playing equals false. So at first, paused equals false. And if we click stop, all we're doing is setting pause to true. That's all we're doing. And then within this method here, we're gonna just stop playing the 8 count beat the next time it starts off the 8 count beat. So if paused, then do nothing. Otherwise, you're gonna go ahead and play the clave. Okay, so we're just gonna put that for both the 3-2 and the 2-3. Again, we're not worrying about anything that's syncing. We're not worried about like writing code that's that's dry yet. We're repeating a lot of code, but we'll refactor this in a little bit. We're just trying to get this pausing to work. So instead of start, maybe we should do function play. Okay, we already have the play. And if we want to play the clave, we should set pause equals true. Okay. Same for the 3-2. Okay, so here we go. Refresh the page. We're going to play the 2-3 clave. Interesting. So for some reason it's not playing, and maybe it's because pause is false, and maybe I'm just having trouble setting this object here to be true. Yep, it's true. Pause is true. Oh, okay. So pause is true. Right now it's paused, and then we're going to set pause equals false, which means that if it's not paused, sorry, if it's paused, you stop, but if it's not paused, okay, I just had my booleans mixed up. So let's try this again. Okay, Now I'm going to click stop. It should update this variable from pause equals false to pause equals true. Now it's true, so now we just stopped the clave. Let's try the 3-2 clave. Okay, so that was still the 2-3 clave, so I'm wondering what's up. We had a variable assignment to a constant variable, play 3-2. Type error. Okay, so let's see what that is. What is line 30? Line 30 is, oh, we're setting the audio. We shouldn't be setting the audio. Okay, so that's that. And I wonder what else is the issue here, because the clave for the 3-2 is different. There we go. 1 and 4, 6, 7. 1 and 4, 6, 7. Then we're gonna stop it. Oh, and we're gonna add this if pause return statement. This is not in the right place. Should be in here, because this is the piece of code that's called every time for every 8 count. So let's try it again. So 3-2. Stop. There we go. So now that we've got start and stop working, and we've got this little state, this variable that stores a state, the next video we're going to actually viewify some of this stuff. But yeah, please leave any questions you have in the comments, and see you in the next video. Thanks.